Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily hide or show the rating controls in the Photos app in macOS 27 Golden Gate. The Photos app in macOS 27 Golden Gate includes a handy option that lets you hide or display rating controls based on your preference. If you regularly organize your photo library using star ratings, enabling this feature makes it much easier to view and manage your rated photos and videos. The rating controls display star ratings directly within the Photos app and add a small rating badge to thumbnails, allowing you to identify your favorite or highest rated items at a glance. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Photos app on your Mac. And then you have to hit the Photos menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to head over to the photo section and then check the box located right left to show rating controls and you're all set. When the show rating controls option is enabled, the Photos app displays star rating controls for supported photos and videos, making it much easier to organize your library using ratings. You can quickly view or assign star ratings without navigating through additional menus. Photos and videos that already have ratings also display a small rating badge on their thumbnails, allowing you to identify your favorite, highest rated, or most important items at a glance while browsing your photo library. This is especially useful for photographers, content creators, or anyone who sorts large collections of media based on quality or personal preference. If you disable this option, the star rating controls and thumbnail badges are hidden from view, giving the Photos app a cleaner and more distraction-free appearance. Any ratings you have previously assigned remain intact. They are simply hidden until you enable the feature again. And that's about it. If you rely on star ratings to sort, review, or manage a large photo library, keeping this feature enabled can make finding your best source much faster. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.